Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video, you'll learn to make this body using pad and pocket. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will create these two circles here, and here will be the midpoint. And this arc has 64 millimeters of diameter and 96 millimeters of diameter. So let's create this. Go to the front plane and select arc from center. Click here in the midpoint. Make an arc here 64/2. Make an arc here and create another one 96/2. Okay, let me move this a little bit. And here, go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here, this point and this point. Okay, and now we will create this line here, this line and this one. This line here has 30 millimeters. So select polyline, click here in this point, and select a line to make a line here with 30 millimeter. It is a vertical line. Make another line here and make another one here. Make sure that this line here is a vertical line. Make the same in the other side. So make a line here. And go to constraints, horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. Make sure that they are horizontal lines. And here, the distance between this line here and this one is 60 millimeters. And the distance between this line and this one is 6 millimeters. So go to dimension. The distance here is 6 millimeters. And the distance here is 60 millimeters. Okay, we made this profile. And now we will create these two circles here. One circle with 52 millimeters of diameter and 28 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint is 110 millimeters. Okay. So select a circle, make a circle here with 28 millimeters. And you can create a center arc here with 52/2 millimeters of radius. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. And go to dimension. The distance between this point and the midpoint is 110 millimeters. Let me move the dimensions here a little bit. And here we will create this two line. And the distance between the lines is 12 millimeters. So select line, click here in this point, make a horizontal line here and a horizontal line here. And go to dimension. The distance between the lines is 12 millimeters. And here we will cut this edge here. So go to trim, cut here. Okay. And we lost the dimension of this arc. Let me see here. And let me move this dimension and go to dimension again. The radius here is 48. Or you can just go to constraint, select equal, select this arc and this one. Okay. We made this profile. So leave the sketch. We need to extrude this, and the extrusion has 40 millimeters of length. So go to pad And the mode here, select symmetric and the length 40 millimeters. And press OK. We made this one. And now we will select the front plane again and we will make this sketch here. Look at this. An arc here, another line and another arc here, okay? So to create this, select the sketch and select the front plane. And here, go to external projection and select this arc here and select this circle here. Activate the toggle section view, okay? And now we will make a center arc. Click here on this point, make an arc here with 48 millimeters and make another arc here with the same center of the circle with 26 millimeters because it is 52 over 2, okay? And here we will select line, make a line between this point and this point here, make a line between this point and this point here. And now go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and the center of the circle. Make the same here, select this point and the center of the circle. Now we will make this a horizontal line, so select the same constraint here, horizontal vertical, and select this line, okay? Make the same here, select this line, and we made the profile. And now leave the sketch. We needed to extrude this profile. Sorry, we will need to change here the projection, activate the sketch again, and select the circle here, and make this a construction geometry. And make the same to the circle, construction geometry, okay? And leave the sketch, and go to pad. And here the distance here is 12 millimeters, and it must be symmetric because we are in the front plane in the center of this part. So the mode here is symmetric and the length 12 millimeters. And press OK. We made this one. And now to finish this, we will create a hole here. We will create this hole. This hole has 10 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between the center of this hole and this edge here is 14 millimeters. And the distance between the center and this edge here is 20 millimeters. And it's nothing showing here, but we will make this through all this body, okay? So select this face and go to create a sketch. Activate the toggle section view. And here select the circle, make a circle here. And go to external projection. Select this edge here and this one. And now make this a construction geometry. And go to dimension. The diameter here is 10 millimeters of diameter. The distance between this circle and this edge here is 14 millimeters. And the distance here is 20 millimeters. It is in the center, okay? So leave the sketch and go to pocket. And the type here, select it through all and press OK. We made this one. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.